Wake-up call.
A wake-up call.
Hell yeah.
For those that drink that liquor
Yeah.
and can't shake that liquor
Can't
off,
shake it off. Wake you on up.
and wake you right on up. Yeah, I got me kiwi refresher. I got me some everything bagels.
All right.
These be fire.
Now you just showing out. I ain't talking about vlogging. I'm talking about the way you do it.
Yeah, all the way. Yeah.
Yeah, you just showing out now. I know that's right.
Y'all see how they do it. Now that's just huge. So y'all, I'm about to get ready and head to the Dollar General and to Farmer Meals because I gotta see what they have as far as like beach activity wise. So I'm gonna take y'all on the journey and then I'm gonna check in with y'all when I make it there. All right, y'all. To the beach, y'all see me with my little black on with the black and white thing. I'm gonna show y'all the shoes when we get there. Everybody say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
They hot right now, but we're about to head there and yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all in the next clip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, we just made it to the beach. But we made it to the beach, y'all, so I know my curls probably fell or whatever, but we should be good. But I'm gonna check back in on the next clip. out of the water. I'm about to go and catch me a little bite.
Oh my. In a room full of dimes, you would be $100. If being fine was a crime, girl, they lock your little fine ass up in the tower. The way you move like you do, ooh, it's like you do it for a living. Do a little spin, do it again. See, look like you playing for the win. Oh, baby, I'm tryna roll, I'm tryna ride, I'm tryna float, I'm tryna glide. No, no, don't be shy. Just take my hand and hold on tight. Oh, skate to me, baby. Skate, slide your way on over. Slide your way on over. Skate to me, baby. Skate. I wanna get to know ya.
Good morning, party people. That's right, party people, y'all. Today is Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth to my melanin, beautiful culture of a race, of a people, okay? Happy Juneteenth, y'all. Y'all already know how I am when it comes to celebrations, especially when it's for the culture. So I'm barbecuing today, y'all. I didn't want to talk too much about it like I usually do. I just wanted to let it happen. Ew, that's nasty. It was roadkill. So I'm headed to pick up some last minute items from the dollar store or whatever. I'm gonna be barbecuing the ribs and doing the shish kebabs. My aunt is gonna do the light stuff, the sides and stuff. But yes, y'all, it is Juneteenth, y'all. So please stay along for this vlog because I'll be wrapping this vlog up after today. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tag along. And please go add my Instagram at Amore Divine with 2 E's. Thank you very much. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.
Hey vlog, happy Juneteenth. I'm making this shirt for Juneteenth. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done.
So y'all, we're gonna stuff together. We're gonna make some shrimp, sausage, and bell pepper skewers. I'm about to get ready to make the coleslaw, and Shirley about to make the baked beans and everything else. We gonna come back when everything is ready. Well, we gonna come back when we start the grill. Got some in my hair. All right, y'all. So we started the skewers. We got shrimp, chicken, and sausage, cheddar sausage. So with a bell pepper, chicken breast. We don't want to put too much on it, but we want to give everybody a taste of everything. I'll put 2 bell peppers right there. With the sausage. Booyah! It's a skewer.